I feel like everybody else is hooking up, but then there's me, poor little me. Just when I think I've caught her eye, somebody else swims by and leaves, poor little me. Yes, I need some help to land them, but they don't teach that in school. There's just too many fish in the sea. I can't compete, there's too many fish in the sea. My head is reeling, all I want is a little bowl with a castle and a fin to hold. There's too many fish in, too many fish in the sea. I've tried all kinds of lines, but everyone just breaks into a laugh,